Most wireless devices nowadays have built-in Bluetooth technology, and while it's handy, sometimes it's not always that secure. So this video is going to talk about certain unsecurities of it and how to prevent those unsecurities. In the movie The Dark Knight by Christopher Nolan, they introduced a technology that sends and receives sounds from any cell phone and then using sonar maps out that location. While that seems a little bit far-fetched, the underlying principle of it can be found in this hack, minus the sonar mapping. I'm going to be using Linux for this tutorial, so I'm going to go to System, Administration, and then Synaptic Package Manager. And what you want to do under Quick Search is type in Bluetooth, and this brings up all the applications that you can install in Linux. If you're curious about one, just select it and it'll give you a description of it below. So I'm going to install libbluetooth-dev and then also BT Scanner. We won't be using BT Scanner, but it's still cool to look into. And then once you've got everything, just click Apply and close out of it. Now what you want to do is open up a new web browser, and we're going to download a program called Car Whisperer from the link below. Car Whisperer is a program that allows you to access Bluetooth headsets and not only send sounds to it, but also record sounds that are coming from it. Anything that's being set into the Bluetooth headset, you can record. So I'm going to choose to open it with the Archive Manager and then just extract it to the desktop. And just for your reference, the link that's scrolling below for the Tinkernut.com forums, if you have any questions about links or anything that you see here, any scripts, you can find it in the forums. So now I just opened up a terminal and I'm going to create an hcid.conf file in the etc/Bluetooth folder. You can do that using gedit, and what I just pasted here you can find in the forums. Just copy that and paste it and find where it says passkey and type in 0000 and then just save and close out of it, and that should take you back to the terminal. So now I'm going to navigate to the Car Whisperer folder that we just extracted to the desktop by using the CD function, and then I'm going to type in dir to show everything that's listed in there, and you'll see what's called makefile. Now if you do sudo make, that'll start the installation process, and normally you would do sudo make install after that, but as you can see it gives an error. So what we're going to do is edit that makefile that I just showed you and find where it says cw_pin.sh, and it's in two locations. Just change the .sh to .pl and then just save and close out of it to get back to the terminal. And now if you type in sudo make install, it should complete the installation process. So now what you want to do is get information about your Bluetooth device by typing in HCI config space HCI 0, and if it says it is down, just do sudo HCI config HCI 0 up to put it in the up status, up and running status. Now if you type HCI config -A, that'll give you the device class, which says that it's a computer desktop workstation, but we want to change that to a phone to fool the Bluetooth device. So to change that, type in sudo HCI config HCI 0 class 0x500204, and now if you do HCI config -A, you'll see that under device class it has it listed as a phone. So now to perform the hack, what you want to do is type in HCI tool scan HCI 0, and that scans all the Bluetooth devices that are in range. And as you can see, I have a Jabra headset. Now I just typed in Car Whisperer to show all the commands that Car Whisperer accepts, and now I'm going to go back to desktop, the Car Whisperer folder that we created, and just did dir again. And now you can type in Car Whisperer and then HCI 0, and then looking at the dir list above, you want to type in message.raw to send an audio file, and then out.raw is what it's going to record to. That's the file that you're going to be receiving. And now just type in the address of the Bluetooth device that's found above, and hit enter, and it will send the message.raw file to play in the Bluetooth device. And as you can see by these dots, it's going to start recording what's being said into the Bluetooth device until you hit Control-C to exit. And out.raw, it's recorded in a RAW format because that's the audio format that phones use. If you want to convert it to, say, like a WAV file or an MP3 file, you'll need to get a program called SOX. So just do sudo apt-get install SOX, and that will install it for you. Now I'm just going to navigate to the Car Whisperer directory again. You're probably already there, but I just got to navigate to it. And now you want to type in the script as it's listed here. If you want the full script and you want more information on this and how to improve it, how to improve the sound quality, just go to the tinkernut.com forums. But this is a script to convert it to a WAV file when you hit enter. And this is what it sounds like.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Alright, that's it for this tutorial. For more, go to tinkernut.com.